Okay, hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are still going through our history of makeup series, and I'm going into the, I don't know, it's the 50s. So I've already gotten my foundation on and my concealer, and I've already done my eyebrows. That's why I look a little crazy. But we're going to hop straight into it and get into the tutorial. The NYX Love Contours All palette, and I'm going to be going into this shade for our contour today. All right, we're just going to go right down our cheek with that. I'm going to be going into the NYX Ombre Blush in color Mauve Me. Alright, and then I'm going to be focusing that on the high parts of my cheeks and working that back. Okay, and now we're going to move on to our eyes. So I'm going to be using the ColourPop Dream Street by Kathleen Lights palette today. First color we're going to be going into is Magical. And I'm going to just put that all over my lid as my transition shade. Alright, now I'm going to take a big fluffy brush and go into Shooting Star. And I'm just going to focus that on the outer portions of my eye. I'm not going to go in all the way to the middle, but I'm really just going to try to lift my eye up with this darker shade. I'm going to be going into Potion. Again, just focusing that on my outer corners. Kind of lifting that up a little bit and making a point with this shadow. And now I'm going to be diving into Elvish. Alright, so Elvish, I'm just going to, again, follow that same line, kind of working it up and over, not going too far in, keeping it on the outer parts of my eye. Alright, I'm going to get that big fluffy brush back and we're going to blend this out. And this brush has no product on it at all. Okay, so now I'm going to take a flat brush. Where are you at? There we go. And I'm going to be going into Moony. I'm just going to kind of focus that on the outer part of the inner part of my eye. Alright, we're going to go back into the NYX Love Contours All palette. And I'm going to go into this shade right here. And we're going to put that right there on top of that shadow. We're going to take the NYX Epic Liner Pen and do a dramatic 50s style wing. Okay, and I'm going to take the NYX Jumbo Pencil in color Cottage Cheese and put that on my bottom lash. Alright, I'm going to go back into Dream Street and I'm going to go into Elvish again and line my lower lash line. Alright, now we're going to use the NYX Worth the Hype Mascara. And we're going to coat all of our lashes. Now we're going to highlight just a little bit. I'm going to be taking the, let me see which one do I want to use. Alright, I'm going to be highlighting today with the Wet n Wild highlighting powder in color Precious Pearls. To dip our brush in there and put that on our cheekbones. And I'm also going to get a small detailer brush and I'm going to put that on my brow bone and on the inner corner of my eyes. Alright, now we're going to be lining our lips with the NYX lip liner in color Cabaret. Going to be going in with the CoverGirl Catty Cat Matte Lipstick in color Crimson Cat. Alright, now I'm going to go put some lashes on and I will be right back. Alright, so that was my 1950s inspired makeup tutorial. It is nice, clean, simple, easy. What more can you ask for? So I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. Make sure and hit that subscribe button. Like this video and go follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And I will see you guys next week for the 1960s. Bye.